What's up, everyone? Lionel here. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you some techniques that I've learned over time that have helped me overcome every single objection that I've ever dealt with and every business that I've ever worked for, all right? So I'll catch you here after this intro. So there's two techniques that I have learned over time and my experience that have helped me with every objection that I've ever been dealt, okay? The first one is called A.i.m, and I learned it when I was knocking on doors for solar companies, okay? A.i.m is a simple acronym, and it stands for acknowledge, ignore, and move on. No matter what somebody says, you always acknowledge what it is that they say, and then you ignore them by moving on, okay? The second technique is call control. This is from the video repair where people are calling you angry saying they can't, set up their cable, they don't know how to turn on their TV, they call you extremely frustrated, okay? And your job is to diffuse the tension, basically put out the fire and show them that you're the professional, okay? So I combine these two techniques to make a very effective way to handle every objection that comes your way. So it's real simple. A.i.m will be your initial statement, your basic rebuttal, or your counter to what they say. You'll acknowledge what they say, and then you'll move on to the call control, which will be a question. And the question, basically what you want to do with this technique is you're putting your seller or your buyer into a funnel. And I've talked about the funnel before. And what you do is when you're pitching an idea or you're pitching some sort of sell, you have this person in here, and everything that you say, everything that you ask is leading them to your desired result, which is like, yes, I'll accept your offer. Yes, I'll accept your service, or yes, I'll accept your product, right? So it works really great. The way I use it, for example, if I'm cold calling somebody and they say, and I say, okay, I'm the first one to open, right? Hi, my name is Leon. Good afternoon. How you doing today, right? And they say, I'm doing good, Leon, but I'm having lunch right now. Okay, bam. So this is how we go. First, I'm gonna aim it. Oh, lunch? Hey, man, I completely understand. It's an important meal. Then I move on to my call control. So I was just calling you to see if you'd be interested in getting an offer for your property today. Bam. Okay, so maybe they come up with a follow-up objection. Yeah, I'm interested, but just not right now. Okay, again, okay, I get you. Right now is not a good time because you're eating lunch. So then would it be okay with you if I give you a call here in about 30 minutes, or if I can give you a call tomorrow? Because I am a serious buyer, and I would really love to discuss with you how much I'd be willing to give you for the property. I want to be the person you pick. And they say, okay, great. Set up a time and make sure you call them back. Follow-up is important. And I'll make another video about follow-up. Okay, another example. If I call somebody, hey, this is Leon. How's your day going today? And they say, yeah, I'm not interested. Okay. So first I aim it. I have this person's name down for a reason. Like I looked at this list for a reason. There's a reason why I'm targeting this person. So first I'll say, okay, you're not interested in selling. That's completely fine. I understand. And then I move to the call control. I was just calling to see if you'd be interested in maybe getting an offer. So I know that you're not interested in selling right now, but if the time were to come and you did need to sell your property, I want you to say, you know what? That guy, Leon, the property buyer, he said he would give me this much for my property. Okay, so I just want to discuss with you how much it is that I would give you for the property so you can hold on to whenever the time comes. Is that fair? And then hopefully, they'll say yes and you get an offer out. And that'll be something in the pipeline that hopefully they'll call you back, say, you know what, Leon, I want to sell my property to you. And follow-up is important. So yeah, very simple, very effective. These two techniques matched together should help you with every objection that you're ever dealt. So please like and subscribe. And if there's any objections that you have and you're kind of curious to see how I would handle it, go ahead and drop it in the comments below and I will tell you exactly how I would handle that objection. I appreciate you guys. Until next time. There you go, guys. Those are the two techniques that I use to overcome every single objection that comes my way. And to increase your success ratio, you have to increase your failure ratio. So that means that you have to get more no's so that you can get those yeses. In my next video, I'm gonna be going over bird dogs, and I can convert more bird dogs so you can have more marketing happening while you're doing your thing. And it's important, guys, no matter what you get on the phone, that you never give up. All right? Talk to you on the next one.